Hey skincare lovers! Today I'm diving into the world of derma rolling to see if it can truly erase acne scars. I've had these pesky indentations from breakouts about 5 years ago, and I'm ready to put this treatment to the test. So what exactly is derma rolling? It's a nifty little wheel covered in tiny needles. When you roll it over your face, it creates small punctures in the skin, prompting collagen production to heal and reduce scars and wrinkles. Sounds promising, right? I'm using a 0.5mm derma roller from Gin Amber Beauty. The first step is all about sanitization. I sterilize the roller with 70% rubbing alcohol for 30 minutes before and after each use. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Cleanliness is key. Before rolling, I double cleanse my face and then use a cotton pad with 90% alcohol to make sure my skin is squeaky clean. It's super important to avoid any active acne areas to prevent irritation. Now, onto the fun part, the rolling technique. I roll the derma roller 3 times in each direction, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally on each section of my face. It's a bit like painting a masterpiece, but with tiny needles. Right after rolling, I apply a June facial mask to soothe my skin. No moisturizer or sunscreen for at least 12 hours after the procedure. I'm doing this once a week to see the best results. To track my progress, I'll be documenting my skin with before and after footage and consistent lighting. I'll keep you updated over the next few weeks to see if there's any noticeable improvement. A quick note about the Gin Amber Beauty Roller. It's made with individual needles, not metal discs, which makes it more sanitary and durable. You can use it up to 10 times, so it's quite economical. If you're thinking of trying derma rolling, remember to do your research and consult with a dermatologist. Safety first, always. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and updates on my derma rolling journey. See you next time.